Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 29th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we are going to be on the 4-hour time frame. So the US dollar index made it all the way back up to the previous highs. Now, I was calling this right here the end of a running ABC, but the fact that it went all the way back up obviously invalidates that. So I have two possibilities now. We have three waves up of W, maybe, three waves down for X, and maybe this is one, two, three waves up for a WXY pattern at 333. If that's the case, it potentially still could end up turning down like that. So that's option number one for me. If I get the end of this trend right here, I will definitely look at that as the end of a wave Y, and then I will be shorting the dollar again. Otherwise, this could turn into more of an expanding ABC rather than a running ABC, which an expanding ABC would likely make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave pattern to the upside for the wave C, likely taking out the high of wave A. So if we don't get the end of this trend right here, then I would just hold on, and that probably would end up stretching out into a wave 3 of wave C. So either scenario, I definitely would still be looking for longs on the dollar pairs themselves via the dollar pairs until we get the end of a trend on the US dollar index, which we definitely do not have yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.